Hello everyone! Today's video will keep you on the edge of your seat as we watch shocking and unexpected accidents, from horrific crashes to moments of chaos. Join us as we see just how dangerous and fragile life on the road can be. Drive safe to all of us. A terrible accident occurred when the driver wanted to overtake another car. He was hit and thrown out of the road, then fell back and was hit again. The driver of the white car stopped suddenly to avoid colliding with pedestrians who were crossing the road. But suddenly he was hit from behind by another car. A terrifying and shocking explosion from a pickup truck. What do you think was inside the car box? A truck suddenly hit the road divider, and boom! The car exploded as it flipped over. Accidents at red lights should not happen if drivers are willing to stop and obey traffic rules. The road is smoking. See what happened? A pileup occurred in front of him.
I love driving on the highway. Don't get time. No, wait, he's trying to get into my lane. Yeah! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god, dude.
This yellow car swerved and was thrown around when it was hit by the car it was trying to overtake.
Emergency video. Emergency video.
Easy check-ins.
Emergency video.
So when you're done,
Emergency video.
relay.amazon.com and we'll keep you hauling this season.
Emergency video.
Stuck in debt and looking for a long-term solution. Tackle new challenges each day. And a career that will grow with you.
Emergency video. Emergency video.
This car flipped over when turning a corner. What happened? Was there a rock or something?
What is he doing? What did he just do?
Look if you don't stop at the red light. An accident will happen and make other people become victims because of your actions. The driver hit a traffic light on the railroad tracks. Fortunately, there was no train, otherwise the car would have been destroyed.
Oh shit. Sorry.
왜 빨간불인데?
Oh my
Come on, bro. Always stop at the red light, because it's not only you who will lose out but also other people. A man riding a motorbike was seen arguing on the road with a car driver, but suddenly the car driver hit the man. This minibus tried to overtake two trucks in front of it, but what happened was that it swerved and hit the truck and the truck went over with it. A shocking accident. If your car suddenly breaks down in the middle of the road, and you want to try to fix it, put a warning sign a few meters behind your car as a form of warning to other drivers. Reduce your car speed when cornering, especially at night. How terrible this accident is. Thank you all for watching this video till the end. If you find this content useful, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to get our latest videos as soon as they are released. We strive and promise to bring you more high quality and interesting videos. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.